Hey, good morning guys. Today's video is going to be what sold on eBay. We've got around 9 orders going out, but the video is also going to talk about why shipping as quick as possible is such a good thing. Stay tuned. Good morning guys. We're going to go ahead and get started here with the 6 orders we're going to ship out today. It's Saturday. Saturdays are usually a pretty busy day of orders coming in, but yesterday, Friday, not so much, but that's okay. We've had a pretty busy week so far. First item that we're going to pull is a Cranes 100% cotton fiber paper, 13 sheets, 19 envelopes. This is a vintage set, and it's in BS2D3, which is right here. And as you can see, the box has some marks on it, but this is cotton paper and it's vintage, and it sold for $15.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. It's pretty cool feel to it and everything, but always check the paper aisles to see if there's some vintage paper that you can sell. So that's a pretty good sale there. I've got 2 Godzillas up there. I'm gonna have to probably get a chair or a ladder to grab those, maybe. Let me see if I can grab them. Well, there's 1 and 2. Okay, so now, yeah, we can show them to you. So these are newer Godzillas. I don't remember why we even have these, but the set sold as $58.49 with free shipping. It's going international, so we're going to ship it to Kentucky through the global service provided by eBay, and we'll ship those off. It's probably going to cost us about $8 to $10 to get those down to Kentucky, and then they'll be on their way. I think I paid $10 a piece for those, so making a pretty good profit on them for that. Next up is a Jordan hat, and I love selling hats. Hats are slow movers, but they're good money makers. And this is in BS2D4. It's this Jordan hat right here. This is a pretty cool hat. I think I listed it as like new, possibly, and because I don't think it had tags. Let me see how we listed this. Pre-owned, yeah, adjustable. This sold for $19.99 with free shipping. I paid 99 cents for it, so we'll ship that out. It's going to cost about $3 to put it into a small box and send it on its way. Next up, if you guys have been watching, if you've watched the video about the trash to cash, is I think the name of the video. I'm going to put it up at the end of this video so you can actually click on it and see. But we had an item already sell out of there, and it's in this box, because most of them I think are in this box. Actually, I don't think it's in this box. I know these sold. We'll come back to those. I think it's in box 3 actually. And it's a little teeny tiny item. Sorry about the camera work there, guys. It gets a little tough to do when you're pulling boxes down. And as you can see, if you watch that video, you can see there's a lot of this stuff in here from the box I found. So I found a box along the side of the road, and basically just picked it up. It was free, and we started listing that stuff this week. I don't know where in the world I put this item, so give me a second. I'm gonna find it. It's really small. Alright, so it was actually in the original box that I was looking in. And here's what it is. It's a Kingston 1GB SD card. I tested it. It works. It has no pictures on it. It's clean. I wanted $8 out of it, but I'm pretty much taking any offers. It's free shipping. It's going to cost us $2.88 to ship with first class because it's super light. I'll seal it in a small poly bag, like one of those bags, so it doesn't get wet, and then I'll put it in a tiny bubble mailer. But this sold for $5.58. So you take out the less than $3 for shipping it, and in the end we're going to make a couple bucks off of this, and we got it for free. Stay to the end of this video, and I'll have the other video in the link, and I may even put it in the comments below, and then you can just go check it out how we got that stuff. So there's 4 of our 6 orders. I know that we've got another order. Yep, 14 pouches of Idaho potatoes. This was something, it sold for $10 plus shipping. And it's just 14 pouches of instant potatoes. And some of them were expiring. I think at one point we sold some of these on Amazon that didn't sell real well. So I just lotted them up to get rid of them. And $9.99 is not a bad deal on those for the person. And it's not a bad deal for us as well. So we'll ship those out as well today. The next item we've got, and the last item for eBay today, is 44 DVDs. And this is in a box called 81, but we sold 44 popular comedy action thrillers, adult DVDs, and they're going to be back in that zone there. They sold for $40 plus the buyer paid shipping, which they're going to go media mail. It's in this box right here, so let me grab it out. Okay, so it's a nice big box. 44 DVDs does take up a little bit of space here. I'm going to set it up here and show you guys this. Oh man, camera work is not good today. Here they are, and it's just, like I said, 44 DVDs, and it's just a mix of DVDs. Bad Company, 007, In the Line of Fire, Indiana Jones, Transformers. I mean, there's some big titles in here. There's some comedies, you know, Joe Somebody, Harry Potter's in here. It's just a big mix. So we'll keep that in that box. We'll just put some packing material in there and we'll send it on its way. So only 6 orders today, not a ton. We did list a bunch yesterday, which surprised me. We didn't have more sales. The video yesterday was actually titled Why You Should List Every Day on eBay. We try to put up at least 5 listings a day, and I think it helps our sales. So if you're not doing that, you should be. I think it just helps. I'm not an expert. I don't know the algorithms, but it seems to have an impact every time we do it. So, all right, guys, we had one more order come in today that we're going to go ahead and ship out. I went ahead and pulled it. These are vintage Harlequin Romance, and see how they have the red edges? If you can come across these for relatively cheap, and by cheap I mean free, or maybe like 10 or 20 cents a book, these sell really well in lots. We just sold this lot. There's 40 books and it sold for $30 plus shipping. So if you can come across them really cheap, you know, 40 books at 10 cents a piece would be $4, and you can sell it for 30. So if they're a quarter, you know, it's a little bit more. But yeah, the red edge vintage Harlequins, they always sell. It takes them a little while, but there's always people looking for those. So we're gonna go ahead and ship that out today as well. All right, so I have my items already packed. I'm gonna step back a little bit. As you can see there, they're already done. But as I was shipping, we had 3 more orders come in, and one of them you probably just saw, but here's 2 more that just came in while I was shipping. We sold some Dan Post boots, which are cowboy boots. They're in tote 3. Oh, they're right down here. These I just listed. There we go, so you guys can see them, what they look like. They're not in perfect condition. They had some stains. I paid $6 for these at Goodwill, and these sold for $49.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. That came in as I was shipping out the rest of this stuff. And we also had another order come in for books. And I think it's just important to note that listing and shipping as fast as you can and being on eBay every single day matters. I know a lot of people do it part-time. They may not be able to get to it as often as they want to. We have a 1-day shipping, 1-day business handling, as you call it, to ship it out, but I ship every single day. And as these orders come in, I like shipping them right away. Because the buyer who just bought it gets a notification that you just shipped it, and like these boots, they're getting ready to ship less than 10 minutes after they place the order. And there's our next box right there. But same with the books and same with the other items that we've had. So to me, it's absolutely a huge help when you ship as fast as you possibly can once the order comes in. I really think it helps push your listings on eBay because they know that you're going to get it out the door. So let me grab these books and show them to you. Give me just a second. All right, guys, so the book orders I just pulled out, or the one book order that we got while we were shipping, is this Harlequin set. It's 22 Love inspired. sold for $20 plus the buyer paid shipping. So like I said, this item and the boots, they're less than 10 minutes old on eBay. And the buyer ordered them, paid for them, and I'm going to ship them all within less than 10 minutes, even including this video time. And I think that helps in the eBay algorithms for stuff. So I'm going to get these shipped. If we have more orders come in while I'm shipping these two, I'll let you guys know. So, thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the videos. Ask your comments or put your comments in the comment section, or ask your questions down there as well. And be on the lookout for a Q&A probably starting next week. Talk to you guys soon.